There is certainly no doubt that Bollywood is a very fickle place. Your success and celebrity status is merely a house of cards that can fall flat just as quickly as it rises. While some actors vanish into oblivion even before coming into public notice, others touch the peak of their careers and then end into disastrous full stops. A couple of flops, media scandals, or just a few wrong decisions may end your career in ashes. Welcome to In Fact. We have curated a list of top 10 actors that you have once seen on the big screen are finding it hard to get work these days. Number 10. Adhyayan Suman. Son of actor Shekhar Suman, Adhyayan Suman started his acting career with Haale Dil in 2008, which didn't work well at the box office. After this, he gave flops like Jashan, Dehradun Diary, Heartless, Lucknowi Ishq and Ishq Click. And well, that explains why we don't see him often on the silver screen. Anyway, recently he was in the limelight because of the Kangana Ratik issue. He also made an appearance as Tinka Singh in the MX Player web series Ashram alongside Bobby Deol. Number 9. Sikandar Kher. Son of actors Anupam Kher and Kiran Kher, Sikandar Kher debuted with the movie Woodstock Villa in 2008. His other movies, Summer 2007, Khele Hum Ji Jaan Se, Players, Tere Bin Laden 2 also didn't help him much to take his acting career forward. After a break of almost 3 years, he was again seen on movies like Raw alongside John Abraham and The Zoya Factor with Sonam Kapoor, and is also set to make an appearance in the upcoming movie Suryavanshi. He recently got engaged to Sonam Kapoor's cousin Priya Singh. Zayed Khan. Son of actor Sanjay Khan, Zayed Khan made his acting debut with Chura Liya Hai Tumne in 2003. He was not only nominated for this movie but was also offered a role opposite Shah Rukh Khan and Sushmita Sen in Farah Khan's Main Hoon Na. However, even after doing many movies, he is best remembered for the song Mohabbat Hai Mirchi and his long hair look in Main Hoon Na. He was last seen in Sharafat Gayi Tel Lene in 2015. He is set to make a comeback with an upcoming romantic comedy movie Desi Magic, which has been in post-production since 2014, and since 2015 its release was delayed. Number 7. Vatsal Seth. As a teenager, he started his acting career on television with Just Mohabbat. He didn't have to wait too long after that for his movie debut, as he was signed by the director duo Abbas Mustan for Tarzan the Wonder Car in 2003. Nanne Jaisalmer, Heroes, Paying Guests are some other movies in which he acted. We saw him in Jai Ho and Malang doing a cameo. We will be seeing him in the upcoming mystery thriller The Girl on the Train alongside Parineeti Chopra, which is set to be released on Netflix on February 2021. Number 6. Ashmit Patel. Ashmit Patel's character in Murder made waves in Bollywood. However, it didn't last long. Now, he can often be spotted in reality shows. His last one was Pav Kapul, where he was seen romancing actress Mahak Chahal. Ashmit Patel started his career with a movie called Intiha, but it was Murder that gained him some acting credit. However, movies like Fight Club, Toss, Jai Ho didn't lead him anywhere in terms of recognition. He was last seen in a web series Peshawar, which streamed on Ullu, a streaming platform which we are sure nobody has heard about. Number 5. Isha Dion. Despite having superstars of yesteryears as parents, the actress or any of her siblings did not leave much of a mark. It seems Bollywood believes that their charm has now faded and that films are better off without them. It does not change the fact that there was a time when she enjoyed success, somewhere at the beginning of the century, but that time is now in the past. She started her acting career in a lead role with Vinay Shukla's Koi Mere Dil Se Pooche. Dion won numerous awards for her performance, including the Filmfare Award for Best Female Debut at the 48th Filmfare Awards. She acted in several good movies like Na Tum Jano Na Hum, Doom, and took a break in 2008. Although she did try to make a comeback in the year 2011, which didn't go so well. She also tried her hand in Kannada and Telugu films in 2015. We don't think we'll be seeing her on the big screen anytime soon. Number 4. Fardeen Khan. After winning the Filmfare Best Debut Award for Prem Agan in 1998, Fardeen Khan proved to be quite a dud. Son of legendary Bollywood actor Feroz Khan, Fardeen Khan actually did some good movies like Pyar Tune Kya Kiya, All the Best, and Hey Baby. His first film, Prem Agan, was a film on a serious issue, but seems to have lost its seriousness in the actor's performance and hilariously out-of-place dialogues and epic metaphors. It was also Fardeen Khan's only film which won a Man Award. However, after acting in a series of movies, we don't see much of him these days. He was last seen in Dulha Mil Gaya in 2010 opposite Sushmita Sen and Ishita Sharma. As reports suggest, he's all set to make a comeback as a producer, but he's open to acting roles as well. Number 3. Uday Chopra. He is the son of the man who taught romance to Indian cinema, Yash Chopra, and brother of producer, film director, broadcast producer, screenwriter and distributor Aditya Chopra. Last we heard, he was in LA learning filmmaking at UCLA. The only film that he does get in is the Doom franchise. He has already closed all doors on his acting career career and was last in the news for his ruthless dumping of Nargis Fakhri days before their wedding via WhatsApp. Number 2. Tushar Kapoor. Son of the legendary Jitendra, brother of the queen of tele-industry Ekta Kapoor, he is probably the only one in his family who could not make it to Bollywood despite several attempts. He has the Golmaal series, but that is all that he seems to have. No producer can possibly risk taking him in their film in the lead, having seen the disastrous results of Gayab and other such films. In 2019, he also worked in a horror comedy web series, Boo Sabki Fategi, also starring Mallika Sherawat, which didn't fare well among its audience. Number 1. Govinda. Also known as the Lost King of Bollywood, Govinda is one Bollywood actor who ruled the screens with his slapstick comedy genre. An entire generation has grown up dancing to songs of his movies. His contemporaries are still ruling the big screen with hits after hits. The reason for his fading stardom is because he lost the pace. Time changed and Govinda did not. His peers, Salman Khan, Ajay Devgan, Shah Rukh Khan, Akshay Kumar, are still fit and active and have a good connection with the audience. That's it for this video. See you in the next one.